Hi there, and welcome to the Centonomy Career Lounge. Now, at Centonomy, we believe that everyone can create wealth. And while some might choose the entrepreneurship path where they go ahead to build great businesses, there are those who choose to stick to their careers as their main source of wealth creation. And over the course of this show, we'll be speaking to just those people. We'll be speaking to people in the entry level of their careers, and they'll tell us why they chose the path that they chose. We'll also be speaking to people in the middle level of their career, and they'll tell us what they could have done differently and how their journey has been. We'll also be speaking to people in the senior level of their careers, and they'll tell us how they got there and what their next boss moves are. Because once you get to the top, where else is there to go? So join me next week for our very first episode with none other than our very own Waithaka Gatumia, from an entrepreneur film producer to the CEO of Centonomy. Just how did he do it? Find out next week. We'll be premiering an episode every Tuesday at 12 p.m. and you're welcome to subscribe so that you can get a reminder for the video every week. So see you next week.